Hello, today I want to give an example of our Solutions Demo Center. The app you're seeing here was all created on Superblocks, and it gives the ability for the solutions team to very quickly create use cases, come with fake data, add it to data sources, and then make demos very easily. You can see we're on the data creation page, and let's say I'm working with a company like Morgan Stanley. I can click this button here and it'll give us a very quick summary of Morgan Stanley if I didn't already know about the company. From here, I can add in information. Maybe I want to make this demo focus on wealth. When I click this button, it's going to generate use cases for us. So this goes out and understands different use cases and might be good to build on top of Superblocks. Let's add a wealth portfolio. Now, when you're building a demo of Superblocks, what we do is we generate a prompt. And here you can see it generated a prompt for us. If I wanted to, I could add extra information and use AI to alter the prompt further. I'm just going to generate data from here. And as you can see here, what we're doing is we're going back and behind, we have an Anthropic API that's going to generate data for us. It's going to be added to an OLTP data source as well as an analytical data source. We'll be able to choose which ones we want to write to, and when we do this, it's very easy to run a demo on top of it. So let's let this load. As you can see here, it just loaded, and we have our OLTP data, and it's right now selected to Postgres. If I wanted to add it to Snowflake, Databricks, or BigQuery, I can do that. Let's make this name a little shorter. We can name it the Morgan Stanley table. Here we have 15 rows, and in this one, we just need to add some underscores. This we could very easily alter, so it will do this for us in the future. This one is going to go to Databricks. I like that. And you can see it created all of this fake data for us. Let's write this, and let's write this. This is connecting directly to our data sources, both our Neon Postgres as well as our Databricks warehouse. It is writing this back to that, and now I automatically have that for our next demo. Let's save this demo as well. You can see here, we have a few companies. Let's add Morgan Stanley to the list. We can add it here. If I wanted to add additional notes to the demo, I can do that. Let's save this. And now just like that, we're able to save our demo session. Let's take a look here and we can look at our prospects. So because of this, it just created a Morgan Stanley folder for us. And here we can see our actual demo we created. Here's the prompt that we will later put into Superblocks to build an app in front of a prospect. Here's the name of the use case. Here's all of our data that is now written for us. And then we can also take a look at all of our data. So in this case, we have all of our tables in our schema that we use for our demos. We have Postgres here, and if we scroll down, we should see the Morgan Stanley one we created, as well as Databricks. Here's our Morgan Stanley data. So just like that, we are able to create a very easy demo flow. We now can take this and create demos. We also have a demo scripts location. So here, if I wanted to create a Unity catalog demo on top of Superblocks, I have some Gong links, some highlights, and then the talk track that could be used across the team when you're going out to show this. So again, this is all created on Superblocks. The goal here is to make building demos faster for the entire solutions team. And this is the demo of our Data Solutions Center. So I hope you have a great day.